Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1. Wash and chop the collard greens. Remove the tough stems and roughly chop the leaves. Dice the bacon into small pieces. 3. Cook the bacon in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat until crispy. Remove the bacon with a slotted spoon, leaving the rendered bacon fat in the pot. Add a chopped onion to the bacon fat and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Set. Add minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Then add the chopped collard greens to the pot and stir to coat with the bacon fat and onion mixture. Then, pour in chicken broth or water to cover the greens partially. 8. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 30-45 minutes, or until the collard greens are tender. Stir occasionally. Dice. Season with salt, pepper, and a dash of your favorite hot sauce. Optional. Stir in the cooked bacon. Serve hot as a side dish.